Okay guys, here's the answer for the question. What the sound was.
Here's how it's done.
Right there. I have
This
that.
guy right here. This is called a comb. Once the first level of container's in position, Daniel attaches these 12-pound steel combs to the top of the container.
I weighed it. It was 12 pounds. I'll show you.
The second container is lined up with the comb.
What it does,
and locked into place.
locks like that.
It's like
So the sound was it locking?
Just go
like that.
bam, just like that. There's 20-ton containers locked in, double stacked. It's that simple.
Okay, so now I will show you. Here it is. It is 12 pounds. I did weigh it. I couldn't believe I actually found one of these because I don't know how it would come off. Animal trained, but I found it. And I'll do the thing again. Yeah, I can't get very good here. Wait, here. There you go. Definitely keep it. It's a rare piece of railroad. Well, not rare, but I mean, like someone to have this. It's really actually pretty cool. This whole thing kept the container in place. See here. I can't get one with one hand very good, but here. Yeah. Okay. Yep, it just turns it right there. And the bottom does the same thing. I just thought it's pretty cool to actually have one of these now. Pretty much it. I haven't done anything to railroad lately, really. But I do have, I made some cactus. I'll be showing you those later. But, that's the answer. Cone thing, I don't know. I can't really understand him, whatever he said on there. So, I don't think anybody got it right. It was pretty hard to guess. I wouldn't expect you to actually answer that one. But, found it right next to the tracks at Rochelle.